What's up, everybody? It's Retro Bro again, Retro Bro's Pit Stop. I am following up with my third video right now, just showing some Pokemon packs. These all came from tins that you've seen and the Pokeballs that you've seen in the previous videos. Like I said, I'm sitting at the Goodwill outlets in North for sales. I got boards, so I figured I'd open up some packs and just show you what's inside of them, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, share, follow, subscribe. I said I'm going to be doing a lot more videos these days. Got a lot more time on my hands, so if you're interested in anything, I sell on Macari, same name, Retro Bros Pit Stop. If you want to look me up, I sell a bunch of stuff. I try to sell weird stuff, toys, Pokemon stuff, vintage stuff, new stuff. So we'll start off with the first pack. Okay, I gotta get through these pretty fast. People are gonna be showing up pretty soon too. So might not get them all done today. So like I said before, I try to get through these fast. Alright, so there's nothing in there when I want to show you that. I'm trying to do this on a cardboard box right now, so you can imagine that. Let's see, I'm trying to do this a little better so you can see it, okay? Let's see. Alright, so this is what's inside of this next pack. I didn't even show you what pack it was. So far, the only card that I've gotten in the past day right now, 2 days, has been that Ditto VMAX. I opened up a bunch of mystery boxes. There's nothing inside of those. Alright, so this is Brave Stars. Still haven't gotten a Charizard Rainbow or a Charizard or a Pokemon Rainbow. I'd love to get one. Nothing in this one, I can already tell. She's kind of cool, but said I don't keep hollows or reverse hollows. They just all go in the box. Fusion Strike, I hate this pack. I don't got anything good out of this one either. Let's see. I mean, I got all the Sylveons and stuff like that, but I don't really think those are really that good of cards. Nothing in this one either. Let's see. Next one is going to be Evolving Skies. They actually do like Evolving Skies. I always thought the cards in there were cool. Put in the comments whatever your best card was, but please make sure you put it in the comments. Again, nothing at all. Sorry, I've been going too fast. I don't really care about, like I said, the commons or the hollows or anything like that. I only look for the foils and the rares and stuff like that. Brilliant Stars. Alright, let's see the pack. Let's see. Got again. Nothing else. Nothing in there. Another Fusion Strike. Let's see what's in this one right here. Absolutely nothing. Oh, it's actually pretty cool. I've never seen this card before. Flappy. Let's see, we got it right there. Gold Flappy. It's kind of cool, huh? That might be the best card I've got now, the Fusion Strike. Let's set that one aside, maybe. 4 packs left. So people are going to be showing up in a minute now, so I got to get going with these fast. Get the weirdo, all kinds of packs in front of everybody. Let's see. Nothing in that one either. Let's see. Sorry, I know I hum a lot. It's I'm born with it. For some reason I always have to be talking. We're doing something with one on. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. What's this? I guess that's kind of a cool card. That's kind of cool. Alright, 2 more left. Golden Skies and Brave Stars. I'm going to make that Rainbow Charizard. Let's see. Anything in this pack? Let's see. Nope. Nothing wrong with that pack. Okay, and our pack. casino, I will be doing like I thought we did. Alright, last pack. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Anything. No good cards at all, man. Alright, well, I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share, follow, everything else. Said I'm at the Goodwill today, in front of the North for Sale Goodwill outlets, the bins. I will keep you posted on what I find today, okay? Thanks.